is a detailed and comprehensive overview of gentamicin. 1. Generic name, drug class, drug forms, brand names. Generic name, drug class, aminoglycoside antibiotic. Drug forms, injection IV or IM for systemic infections, ophthalmic drops and ointment for eye infections, topical cream ointment for skin infections, otic solution ear drops for outer ear infections. Brand names, injection garamycin gentamicin sulfate, ophthalmic, Gentac genoptic garamycin eye drops, topical garamycin cream Gentafair. Otic, Otagenta gentasone HC with hydrocortisone. 2-2 definition. Gentamicin is a potent bactericidal aminoglycoside antibiotic used to treat serious infections caused by susceptible bacteria, particularly aerobic gram-negative organisms. It is commonly reserved for infections not responding to other antibiotics due to its risk of nephrotoxicity and ototoxicity. Number 3. Mechanism of action. Gentamicin works by binding irreversibly to the 30S subunit of the bacterial ribosome, inhibiting protein synthesis by blocking the initiation complex, causing misreading of mRNA, leading to the production of faulty or non-functional proteins, ultimately disrupting bacterial cell membranes and causing cell death. Effect: rapid and bactericidal against gram-negative bacilli, e.g. Pseudomonas aeruginosa, E. coli, Klebsiella, Enterobacter species. Indications: gentamicin is indicated for systemic infections (IVIM), septicemia, blood infections, respiratory tract infections, hospital-acquired pneumonia, urinary tract infections, intra-abdominal infections, usually in combination with metronidazole, skin, bone, soft tissue infections, endocarditis with penicillin or vancomycin, meningitis, especially neonatal with ampicillin, topical intraocular otic use, bacterial conjunctivitis, blepharitis keratitis, otitis externa ear infections, minor skin infections and wounds. 5. Contraindications. Do not use gentamicin in patients with hypersensitivity to gentamicin or other aminoglycosides, pre-existing hearing loss or vestibular damage, severe renal impairment unless benefits outweigh risks, myasthenia gravis or other neuromuscular disorders may worsen muscle weakness, pregnancy, especially first trimester, unless absolutely necessary. 6. Precautions before taking. Tell your healthcare provider if you have kidney problems, e.g. elevated creatinine, have hearing loss, tinnitus, or balance disorders, are pregnant or breastfeeding, are using loop diuretics, e.g. furosemide, have neuromuscular disorders, risk of respiratory depression, are elderly, age increases risk of toxicity, have had recent anesthesia, risk of neuromuscular blockade. Monitoring. Renal function, bun creatinine, audiometry, hearing tests, if on long-term therapy, serum drug levels, peak and trough to avoid toxicity. How to use. Parenteral injection, administered IV or IM by healthcare professionals. Dosage is based on weight, infection severity, and renal function. Ophthalmic drops ointment. Instill 1 to 2 drops into the conjunctival sac every 4 to 6 hours. Apply ointment 2-3 times a day for 7 to 10 days. Topical. Clean and dry the affected area. Apply a thin layer of cream or ointment 3 to 4 times daily. Ear drops. Instill 3 to 4 drops into the affected ear 3 times a day. Important, do not use longer than prescribed. Do not share with others. Dosing information. Adults IM. Mild moderate infections, 3 milligrams per kilogram day in divided doses. Severe infections, up to 5 milligram kilogram day, once daily dosing extended interval, 5 to 7 milligram per kilogram once daily, preferred in younger adults with normal renal function. Children, 6 to 7.5 milligram day in divided doses every 8 hours. Neonates, 2.5 milligram kilogram every 12 to 18 hours, depending on age and weight. Topical ophthalmic, usually 1 to 2 drops Q4H up to Q1 ERG in severe cases. Renal adjustment required based on creatinine clearance. 9. Misdose, overdose. Misdose, take as soon as you remember unless it's almost time for your next dose. Do not double the dose to make up for a misdose. Overdose symptoms: hearing loss or ringing in ears, kidney failure, decreased urine output, muscle weakness, paralysis, difficulty breathing, rare but serious. Management: supportive care, Hemodialysis to remove excess drug in renal failure. 10. Stop or avoid taking if you develop ringing in the ears, dizziness, or hearing problems. There is a significant drop in urine output. You are diagnosed with ototoxicity or nephrotoxicity. You develop neuromuscular symptoms like muscle weakness or respiratory difficulty. You are prescribed other nephrotoxic medications simultaneously. 11. Side effects in detail. Common side effects: nausea, vomiting, headache, injection site pain or inflammation. Serious side effects: nephrotoxicity, kidney toxicity, increased BUN and creatinine, decreased urine output, usually reversible if caught early. Ototoxicity, hearing loss, high frequency first, tinnitus, ringing in ears, vertigo or balance disturbances, may be irreversible. Neurotoxicity, peripheral neuropathy, muscle twitching, seizures, rare. Neuromuscular blockade, especially with anesthesia or other blockers. Allergic reactions: rash, urticaria, anaphylaxis, rare. 12. Vital information. Therapeutic drug monitoring, TDM, is essential to avoid toxicity. Monitor peak and trough levels. Use only under medical supervision, particularly parenteral forms. Never mix with penicillin in the same IV line, can inactivate each other. Regular kidney function and hearing tests are mandatory during prolonged use. Avoid concurrent use of other ototoxic or nephrotoxic drugs. 13. Other drugs that will affect gentamicin. Drugs that increase toxicity risk: nephrotoxicity, vancomycin, amphotericin B, NSAIDs, ibuprofen, ketorolac, cyclosporin, contrast dyes, iodine-based. Ototoxicity, loop diuretics, furosemide, bumetanide, cisplatin. Neuromuscular blockade risk: neuromuscular blockers, e.g. succinylcholine, general anesthetics, magnesium sulfate. Others: penicillins may reduce efficacy if mixed in same IV line. Cephalosporins, additive nephrotoxic potential. Thank you. Have a nice day.